Get ready for the news that is shaking the industry. Pop superstar Dua Lipa is taking massive legal action against a tech giant. She's suing Samsung for a staggering $15 million over alleged copyright violations and trademark infringement. We dive into exactly how this massive legal battle over her image is unfolding right now.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
This isn't just a small dispute. This is a huge fight over intellectual property. We look at the details of Dua Lipa's lawsuit, focusing on the specific claims she has made against Samsung regarding the unauthorized use of her likeness on their products. Find out what exactly Samsung is accused of doing and the legal grounds for this massive claim. But wait, there's more. We're digging into the core of the conflict. We examine how Dua Lipa's lawyers argue that Samsung exploited her carefully curated brand identity to sell televisions without her permission, and we explore the fan reaction that fueled this entire legal storm. This story reveals the extent of the commercial exploitation. And finally, we wrap up this explosive story about Dua Lipa versus Samsung. We break down the copyright, trademark, and right of publicity violations, and we discuss what this means for celebrity branding in the tech world. Don't miss the full breakdown. Stay tuned right here for all the latest breaking news. Pop star Dua Lipa has filed a significant lawsuit against Samsung, seeking $15 million for copyright violation, trademark infringement, and infringement of her right of publicity. The legal action centers on Samsung's unauthorized use of an image of Lipa's face on television boxes. According to the New York Times, the lawsuit includes a picture of a Samsung box featuring a photo of a TV displaying her likeness. Lipa's legal team alleges that the photo was taken at the Austin City Limits event in 2024 and that she owns the image. The filing asserts that Samsung utilized this photo on boxes for a substantial portion of the televisions sold in the U.S. over the past year, claiming Lipa did not permit this usage. Furthermore, the suit argues that the marketing of the boxes was falsely tied to the message that Lipa endorsed the products, citing social media posts where fans indicated they only purchased Samsung TVs after seeing her on the branding. The lawsuit contends that Samsung exploited Lipa's valuable brand identity for mass marketing without her knowledge, consent, or input. The case highlights a conflict between Lipa's image rights and corporate marketing practices. Pop superstar Dua Lipa has filed a significant lawsuit against Samsung Electronics for an alleged unauthorized use of her image and likeness. On Friday, legal documents were formally submitted to the U.S. District Court in the Central District of California, naming Samsung Electronics Co., Limited, based in Korea, and its U.S. affiliate, Samsung Electronics America, as defendants. The lawsuit centers on allegations that Samsung exploited Dua Lipa's valuable image and likeness on cardboard TV boxes that were sold between 2025 and 2026. The attorneys for Lipa accused the technology giant of multiple legal violations, specifically citing copyright infringement, trademark infringement, and a violation of her right of publicity in an effort to seek redress. This action marks a notable legal challenge concerning the commercial use of celebrity likenesses in consumer products. Dua Lipa has filed a lawsuit against Samsung, alleging massive unauthorized commercial exploitation of her image and likeness through the packaging of their televisions. The dispute centers on TV boxes that feature a photo of Dua Lipa on the side. The lawsuit claims that while the boxes display a photo of a Samsung TV showcasing Samsung TV Plus, a picture of Dua Lipa is prominently featured on the streaming service's homepage, constituting an infringement. In the filing, Lipa asserts that she has built a highly recognizable artist brand over the last decade, generating substantial commercial value through sponsorships and endorsements. She contends that Samsung ignored her rights and licensing business by placing her photo on the boxes without permission. Furthermore, Lipa's legal team described Samsung's response to a cease and desist letter as dismissive and callous. Lipa's legal action points to consumer behavior, citing social media comments from fans who purchased Samsung TVs, specifically because their favorite pop star appeared on the packaging, with one fan stating, "If you need anything selling, just put a picture of Dua Lipa on it." The lawsuit accuses Samsung of infringing upon Lipa's copyrights, trademarks, and publicity rights. Lipa claims ownership of the copyright for the photo appearing on the Samsung boxes. Regarding trademarks, while she holds a registered trademark for her name in the U.S., the suit asserts she possesses common law trademark rights over her brand, image, and likeness, which are inherently distinctive to consumers. Samsung's response to the legal challenge remains to be seen. The filing suggests that Samsung may believe it does not require the licenses Lipa is seeking, given the context of the image on the packaging. Pop superstar Dua Lipa has launched a significant legal action against Samsung, alleging the tech giant has unlawfully used her image to market its television products without authorization. The lawsuit, filed in a California federal court, centers on the claim that Samsung utilized a photograph of Lipa's face on packaging for Samsung televisions. According to reports from CBS News, Lipa contends that the company employed a copyrighted image to drive sales without securing her consent. Lipa's legal team asserts that the specific image in question was taken backstage at the 2024 Austin City Limits Festival and remains her property. As noted by NBC News, her representatives maintain that she possesses all rights to the photo and never granted Samsung any license to use it. The core of the complaint alleges that Samsung affixed this image to cardboard boxes for TVs sold in retail stores, thereby creating a misleading impression that the singer was associated with or endorsed the merchandise. Lipa's attorneys argue this action provided Samsung with an unfair commercial advantage by falsely suggesting a relationship with the pop star. The suit accuses Samsung of several legal violations, including copyright infringement, trademark infringement, and a violation of her right of publicity, which safeguards the commercial use of an individual's likeness. The singer is seeking damages totaling at least $15 million. The complaint further details that Lipa had previously requested Samsung to cease using the image after discovering its unauthorized use, but the company allegedly persisted in using it. Legal counsel claims Samsung disregarded these repeated demands to remove the photo while continuing product sales. Samsung has not issued any public statement regarding the litigation, with reports indicating the company stated it cannot comment on pending legal matters.